Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Children, today we will discuss the last chapter of our final exam, and that is symmetrical figures. What are symmetrical figures? Any figures which can be exactly divided into two parts such that one part is the mirror image of the another part, then the figure is called as symmetrical figure. Look at some figures. See this strawberry. You can divide this strawberry into two equal parts. So this is a symmetrical figure. See this triangle. You can see that by this line the triangle can be divided into two parts. So this is a symmetrical figure. See some more figures I have drawn for you. See this star. By this line you can divide the star into two parts. So this is a symmetrical figure. Now see this figure, a pentagon. By drawing a line from here, this part and this part is exactly equal to one another. So this is also a symmetrical figure. Now see this apple. You can divide this apple into two parts exactly. So these are symmetrical figures. This alphabet, there are many alphabets in the English language which can be divided into two parts, like A, like H, like M. See this H, M. These are can be divided into two equal parts. So these are all symmetrical figures. Like our human body also, you can divide your body into two equal parts. So your body is also a symmetrical figure. What is asymmetrical figure? Like this hen. The body of a hen cannot be divided into two equal parts. So these are not symmetrical figures or asymmetrical figures. Like this figure. This figure also cannot be divided into two equal parts. So this is also a asymmetrical figure. Now let us see exercise 13C. Which of does the dotted line divide each of the following figures into two similar halves? If the figure is symmetrical, put a tick. Otherwise, put a cross. Now see this circle. Now you can divide this circle into two parts. So this is a symmetrical figure. This you cannot, by this line you cannot divide it into two parts. So this is not a symmetrical figure. By this line, this part and this part is not equal. So this is also a asymmetrical figure. By this line, this part and this part is equal. So this is a symmetrical figure. By this line, this figure can be divided into two parts. So this is a symmetrical figure. And by this line, this also can be divided into two parts. So this is also a symmetrical figure. Okay. Now see this. Draw the other half of the following figures so that they are symmetrical. Use a ruler if you want. Color the shapes. So this you can do. You have to complete this H. So how you will draw? You draw it with a ruler. I am drawing it with my hand. See now. This is a symmetrical figure. You draw it with a ruler. See this half part is given. You have to make this half part. So how will you make? Like this. This half A is given. This you can complete this half A. And this. Now see this half crescent is given. You can complete it like this. So this is a symmetrical figure. Now this half portion of a bat is given. You can complete this bat like this. So this is a symmetrical figure. Now you have to complete this bucket. See. Like this you will complete this figure. This is very easy. Do it at home and do it in your book only. Okay.